recipe. But wait, there's more. I'm actually going to wait till we come back on camera to give you all of the little fun extras that she's throwing in. The comparable retail value is $80. We have it under $50 on a featured price. And for the very first time, you're seeing 5 easy payments. Yay, thank you, easy pay days of $10 a month. We have sold, you have sold, correction, 55,000 of this item number, K46080. Why so popular, my friend?
Oh, I love that question. I think because it includes the best of the best, right? We start with that great tote. It's one of the first times that we've done a big, this size tote that can hold everything. It is actually the first time. It's embroidered on the top all the way around. And then, of course, the brilliance is on the inside. That silver therm lining that helps keep hot things hotter longer, cold things colder longer, which I love. Pocket here so you can slide some of your recipe cards, some of the pieces that we have inside here. But really, truly, it's about the versatility of these pieces because it includes our single most requested, most used baking dish, which is our 13x9. We include the mitts, so these little grabbers. I love these for taking them on the go and coming in and out. They're also embroidered. We included our silicone spatula. We gave you 6 great recipes to get started, which is so fun. And then ready, it's like a clown car. Your 13x9 baker, amazing. And then huge request from all of you, not just one deep dish lid, but 2 deep dish liddeds. So you can use one on the bottom, one on the top. Now you can make everything you could possibly need inside. A wire rack is included and everything nests down when you want to go ahead and tuck it away. I think that's why it's been so popular.
That's crazy. We're going to show you how it all works. And by the way, if you own this set with 55,000 sold, give us a call, 1-800-395-1601. We're going to take a call after we go through colors, my friend.
All right, perfect. So here's our blue floral lace. We're just going to show you the bakers. The bags will match perfectly. And of course, they're embroidered. Here's your fall, and we have our pumpkin, and down at the bottom, we have our festive. So I love that we have some seasonals. Here we have your green, we have your spice, and at the very bottom, we have your black. So again, I love that we have all of the colors that you love to collect day in and day out. And then over here we have our eggplant.
I just want to stop at the black. We only have 5 dozen remaining there. So if you love this one, take advantage of that on a featured price.
Okay, here we have our eggplant, and beneath the eggplant we have our red. So those are going to be your floral lace colors. Down in front, you're still going to get your baker, your 2 liddeds, your wire rack, your tote, your tools. Everything's going to coordinate, match your green.
The only thing you don't get is Tara. I mean, like you threw it all in.
There's your green, underneath there's your red, and then your cranberry beneath that.
And then you show them side by side.
Yep, I love to show you the difference in the colors. There's your eggplant, your blue, and your confetti. The confetti at the bottom, that's what I collect. And I love how these are all individually hand painted. So again, no 2 will be alike. Here's your spice, and there's your brown. And at the very bottom, we have that beautiful black.
So we went to a well-known retailer and we compared the exact 13x9 baker that you're offering, and retailers are selling it for $46. Now, I don't know if they can do all the different things that yours do, and I don't know if they're hand-painted, but for $3 more, you're giving us the tote, so it's great for on the go, the wire rack, so it's lifting it off the surface, the spatula, the recipes, the little hand mitts, everything that you need for $49.98. That's a featured price, and first day and easy payment plan of under exactly actually $10. So we're going to show you how you use. I want to be wowed, and then I know Pam's been patiently waiting.
Okay, Pam, I'm coming.
Okay, let's be wowed first.
This is a wow. So all of our pieces go in up to 500 degrees, so you literally can tuck it under the broiler, which is amazing.
Is that cobbler?
This is a beautiful cobbler, and it smells so good.
I can spot a cobbler a mile away.
Yeah, but here's the best part. It's not going to stick, so you never have to worry about spraying it. I can literally take any ooey gooey, cheesy, whatever it's going to be, and pull it right away from the sides.
So it's no added fat. If you don't want to add oil, if that's a New Year's resolution for you to cut back in that sense, or it's just easier because you're not worrying about, is it going to stick to the pan? Now, here we go, on the go. These are not throwaways. These toppers are awesome because
our snap-on storage covers.
Prep, if you want to prep this and then put it in the freezer and wait, of course, take it on the go, or leftovers, you just snap it on.
Yeah.
So easy.
And I love it. So I did our cobbler here. I take it on the go because you have that great tote. And then down in front, we actually baked some cookies. So when we talk about the fact that it's your cookie sheet and it's your cutting board and it's your serving platter, these are those pieces instead of that metal bakeware that you're going to want to use day in and day out.
And we have a set of liddits by request coming up if you're just like, oh, I need a lidit. Stay tuned for that. Now we're going to go to Pam. She's from Wisconsin, waiting patiently on the line. Good morning to you, Pam. Alongside Tara, I'm Christine. Thanks for calling in.
Good morning, Tara and Christine.
Good morning, Pam.
To you.
Great to hear from you.
So,
yeah, in this cold weather we have right now, it's snow coming.
No fun. Where's the sunshine?
I'm going to ask you, Tara, are you going to ever have the canister set again?
We are actually working on a new canister set, Pam.
Are you? Oh,
we are,
good.
yes. We always hear you loud and
butter
clear.
Dish? Is that going to be coming soon?
Butter dish. Lisa's smiling right now. Yes, butter dish, canisters. We're working on so many different things.
I'm looking for accessories, yes. I have.
Yes.
Oh, I have so much of your bakeware. It's unbelievable. I have your cookie sheet. I have your pie plates. I have your muffins that you, with the things. I just love this stuff. I have it all in black.
Okay.
So my kitchen is in red and black and the stainless and white walls.
Pretty, beautiful.
Yes. And I just adore this stuff. And I just end up buying the 16-piece set with a dinnerware set for my daughter-in-law. Her birthday's in February, and I bought it in confetti.
Oh, that was
how
so
smart.
thoughtful.
Oh, I love that.
Gift giving. That's a great gift idea.
Yeah, she'll be so happy.
Aww.
So, but I am just thrilled with all the stuff that I have baking. It just comes out so nice and it's just beautiful in my kitchen. I just love it so much.
Pam, before I let you go, do you have a favorite recipe that you've created using your Temp-tations?
Well, I do a little casserole stuff, but I do so much baking, and the muffins come out so nice, and it's just so great. Everything looks. I'm so pleased.
Thank you very much.
I'm just looking for the canister set because a while back I missed it.
Okay.
In the black. And
exactly.
Putting you to work. I like it.
I like it too. Send me a long suggestion. No, we absolutely are working on all of that. So, yes.
Oh, good.
Yep.
Good. I have the
Thank
salt
you
and
so
pepper
much,
shakers.
Pam.
I have, like I said, I have all the bakeware. I even have the totes to carry my stuff in.
Oh, I love that.
I just love it. It's just wonderful.
Thank you, Pam, for calling in.
Keep enjoying it.
Stay warm and enjoy, and your daughter-in-law will be enjoying next. Passing on the tradition.
Thank
I like
you
it.
so much for letting me talk with you.
Anytime.
You have a good night.
Thank you for
Thank
calling.
you.
Take care, okay?
Bye,
Bye-bye
Pam.
now. So sweet. I love our callers. And you can call in as well, 1-800-395-1601. Before we go, colors, 55,000 sold. We got to know what we're getting.
Blue, here we have your fall, your pumpkin, and your festive. Your green, your spice, and your black. Your eggplant and your red. Those are your floral lace colors. And then down in front we have your green, your red, and your cranberry. Next door, your eggplant, your blue, and your confetti, which I love that Pam just picked up confetti for her daughter in dinnerware, daughter-in-law. Here's your spice, your brown, and your black.
Saving $30 off the comparable retail value, spending only $10 a month on Easy Pay. First day, you're getting that easy payment plan, K46080. Still to come, we have the soup and sandwich set, which is so